Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the world to learn crochet online. It's great you are here today because it is always a great day to crochet. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet a daisy crochet headband. I am going to pop up the size chart here on the screen, so see what size that you are going to make. If you like crochet or chocolate, or you just want to be a nice person, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay! The materials we will use are 4-ply cotton yarn, 2.5mm crochet hook, needle, scissors, and tape measure. This is so exciting! Let's get started! First, create a slip knot. And then crochet chaining 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then crochet chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then crochet double crochet together. From this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, and then yarn over and pull everything together. So this one, double crochet together, and then crochet chaining 1, and then one more double crochet together in the same hook. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over again. So now we have 2 double crochet together, and then crochet chaining 1, and then crochet 1 double crochet in the last chain. This one create the first row. To create the second row, turn your work and then crochet chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then crochet 2 double crochet together in the middle. 1, 2, and over, pull it through, and then crochet chaining 1, and then 2 double crochet together. 1 and 2, and then crochet chaining 1, and then 1 double crochet. Now we have created the second row, so repeat from the second row to your desired length. So keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished it with my desired length. And then the next step is crochet chaining 1. And then 1 single crochet, and then chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch at the third chain from hook, and then crochet chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then crochet 1 single crochet in this one. Crochet chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch at the third chain from hook, and then crochet chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 1 single crochet. So keep repeating like this until the end from to here. So keep continuing and see you when you have finished. Now I have finished it with my design length 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch from a third chain from hook, and then crochet chaining 4 1, 2, 3, 4 and then crochet 1 single crochet. Next crochet chaining 4 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 1 single crochet, and then crochet chaining 3 1, 2, 3 and then slip stitch, chaining 4 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 1 single crochet. So keep repeating chaining 4 1 single crochet, chaining 3 slip stitch all the way across until to the end of this one. Keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished. So the next step is how to connect. So crochet chaining 2 1 and 2 and then slip stitch from another one, and then crochet chaining 2 1, 2 and then 1 single crochet. Next is chaining 2 1 and 2 and then slip stitch from another one, chaining 2 1 and 2 and then slip stitch from this one, and then crochet chaining 1 and then weave in all ends. This is what it looks like. Create a magic circle. And then crochet 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7 single crochet and then pull the tail, and then crochet slip stitch from the first single crochet, and crochet chaining 1 and then crochet 2 single crochet increase in every stitch all the way around. 1, 2 single crochet increase. So keep continuing and see you when you have finished. Now I have finished. So I have 14 single crochet stitches. So and then crochet slip stitch from the first single crochet, and then crochet chaining 1, crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around. So you will have 14 single crochet stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14 and slip stitch. And then for the fourth round, keep repeating from the third round. Crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch, so you will have 14 single crochet stitches. Keep continuing and see you when you have finished. Now I have finished it with the fourth round, and then slip stitch, crochet chaining 1, and then flipped inside out, chain to be white yarn, and crochet chaining 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then crochet half double crochet in the third chain from hook, and then crochet 4 double crochets. 1 2 3 and 4. Next, crochet half double crochet, and the last one is 1 single crochet. And then slip stitch. So keep repeat like this. Crochet chaining 9, and then half double crochet in the third chain from hook, and then 4 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and slip stitch in the next stitch. Keep continuing and see you when you have finished. Now I have finished, so I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and then fasten off, leave a long tail for sewing. I am sure you will enjoy crocheting with the crochet project as much as I did. Also, it would be very nice if you could share my videos with everyone on Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Make sure to ring the bell so you don't miss out on your next videos. And remember, it is always a great day to crochet. Yay!